Imagine a shield that prevents your cells from rusting as you age. This is the power of the master antioxidant. New 2026 protocols have moved beyond standard supplements to GlyNAC, the precise precursor duo that fuels cellular defense. By restoring intracellular glutathione, researchers have observed a radical shift in cognitive clarity and liver detoxification. As we age, our natural glutathione levels drop by as much as 50%, leaving our DNA vulnerable to damage. This decline is the primary reason for increased systemic inflammation and decreased detoxification capacity. But according to landmark trials at Baylor College of Medicine, GlyNAC supplementation can actually reverse this trend. By providing the building blocks, we allow the body to produce its own glutathione internally, where it's needed most. This results in a dramatic reduction in mitochondrial dysfunction, the root cause of biological aging. In human clinical trials, GlyNAC improved walking speed, muscle strength, and even cognitive function in older adults.
It's not just about living longer, it's about maintaining health span, the quality of those extra years.
GlyNAC acts as a triple threat, targeting oxidative stress, mitochondrial decay, and insulin resistance simultaneously. Users report a significant boost in aerobic capacity and a faster recovery time after physical exertion. For the brain, it reduces neuroinflammation, protecting against the cognitive decline associated with the aging process. The 2026 standard suggests a specific 1:1 ratio of glycine and NAC to achieve optimal cellular saturation. In some studies, this protocol reduced biological age markers by several years in just 24 weeks. Consistent daily intake is key, as glutathione levels must be maintained to fight constant environmental toxins. However, the quality of the NAC, specifically its stability, determines its effectiveness in the gut. At BioAge Labs, we track the latest purity standards to ensure you are getting medical-grade precursors. Subscribe to BioAge Labs for our deep dive protocol on GlyNAC and how to stack it for maximum longevity. Optimization starts with safety. Never begin a new peptide or supplement protocol without a formal recommendation from your physician.